Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing the screen on an HP laptop. Here you can see that the bottom left corner, there's a crack and pixelated the entire column right here. So that means that the screen is broken and I need to get it replaced. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn off the computer. Shut it down. So while the computer is shutting down, let's identify the model number here. If you close the computer, take a look at the back of it. The model for this 14-CB172. It's kind of hard to see. That is the model 14-CB172 WM. Now, do I need to remove the battery or disconnect the battery before replacing the screen? It is recommended to do so. So let's go ahead and get started with that. There are a hidden screw right underneath the computer. I'm just using a prying tool to pry it open. That little rubber stopper here. So remove the rubber. Get a Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws that is holding on to the back cover. So there are 4 screws here on the top. And 4 screws at the bottom. Once I have enough of the gap, I'll be using a plastic prying tool instead of the metal because I do not want to damage the or make a scratch to the base on the computer, the laptop. Here's the battery. The battery is connected to the motherboard. You can slide the connector to the left, and that's where we disconnect the battery. Now here is the RAM, and I believe that the hard drive might be on the other side of the computer, the end of that. To remove the screen, first we need to remove the bezel. It's just a clip on, so to remove it, you just have to unclip. I'm just gonna pry it open. And here, what I'm doing is there's this double-sided adhesive tape that is tipping down to the screen. So that thing is tipping down to the screen. To remove it, you have to have something to cut that white adhesive tape that is taping onto the screen. Next is to get a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws holding down to the screen. Once you remove the 4 screws, you can slide the screen down. Okay, and the connector is right here. So there's this white tape that is taping down the connector. Peel the tape back and slide the connector away from you. So push it away where the screen will just come right off. The screen model is the N140BGA-EB3. N140BGA, that is the model. If you're not sure where to buy the screen, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find the screen replacement for this. Here I have a different screen. I have a used screen available. I wonder if this is compatible and it works or not, but this is the HB140WX1. The screen here is a glossy and the replacement screen is mated. I'll give it a try. Hopefully that works. If it works, then I'll just give it away to my client. And this is a 30-pin connector. If you wonder how many pins are there, there are 30 pins connector. Push it all the way in, tape it down. It looks like the screen matched the bracket and it installed just fine. Now I just have to put on the screws. Four screws to hold the screen down. This is the bezel. So as I'm pressing it down, you notice my hand on the other side is supporting the screen in the back of it while I'm pressing down the clipper, because you do not want to press while your hand is not supporting it. That way you probably make a dent to the screen and crack the new screen, right? So you always have a support here in the back of it and keep pressing it down. Let's go ahead and try to turn on the computer. But before I do that, I need to make sure the battery is reconnected back in. We may need to get a charger to power back up for the very first time. We'll see if it turns on or not. Oops, I thought I saw a glimpse of a light. Oh yeah, there we go. We see an HP here. Let me cover up the client's name and the privacy. I just want to make sure that the on the left side of it has no problem with it. Yep, the screen is on. I know it's kind of hard for you to see because of the lighting here on the top. It's shooting the glare. As you can see that the screen is up. There's no lines on the left side of it. So again, I just want to point it out to you. If you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay. And the model for the original one is N140BGA-EB3. And again, if you want to change out with the mate, your mated screen is fine, the one that I'm using right now. Okay, and if you do find this video is helpful, please smash the like button for me, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. I really appreciate you for supporting the channel and liking the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.